Hey guys, another sneak peek. 6 million views and 24 hours. Wow. Kemcho and Paolo Avellino, at 6 million views and 24 hours. So ayan, dahil naka 6 million na tayo, dito tayo sa story time. Si Pao ang nagsuggest sa teaser. Gusto sana niya, Kim lang ang iti-teaser dahil sa effort ni Kim told him na dapat mayroong Pao. So noong na post niya ang teaser, may pina-out siya ng shoot. Dapat sa episode lang yun, pero ayan, abangan. Thank you so much, overwhelming, supportive, The Alibay, grabe ang mga fans. Another sneak peek this episode, grabe. Within 24 hours of a release teaser, and the teasered Alibay hits over 6 million views across Prime Video Philippines social media platforms and continues to trend. Congratulations, Kim Pao. Hatak talaga. Ang lakas talaga ng Kim Pao, ano? What if gawin natin 10 million views and 1 day or 2 days para mas malalang pasabog ng ayuda? Ibigay na ni Miss Carl and iba pa yung talagang picture ng Kim Pao. 6 million pa lang, ang saya na, di ba? What more kung mag 10 million? Napakasikat nga naman ng Kim Pao. Ang lakas makahatak ng viewers. Ang lakas din kasi ng Kim Pao. Grabe atake nila. Na parang alam ko na ano yung pina-out niyang shoot. Super excited. He's the kind of man who doesn't need the spotlight because of his finds joy in seeing her shine. Paolo Avellino. And also always treating #Kimcho with such a respect and quiet devotion. A true of a gentleman. No wonder we admire Kim Pao so much. Sabi nga ni Vice Ganda, Kim deserve a man who is confident about himself. Equally successful. Yun na hindi maiinggit dapat. Sobra. And God bless Kimcho. Congrats sa #Alibay. Kunting push pa, aabot na to ng 10 million. Very consistent talaga si boss pagdating sa acting. And he always give spotlight and respect Kimi. And also how protective, supportive each other. Selfless. Then the man is love how their relationship is low-key, secured, na talagang alam niyang ginagawa niya. Sabi nga niya sa interview, sa araw-araw nakakasama, syempre, andun yung hindi mawawala yung pagiging sweetness at the same time, andun yung respect sa isa't isa. O, diba, ang galing. Best actor talaga.